Let me try again. We're going on a walk. Hello everybody, by the way. We're just gonna go to a nature reserve in the neighborhood. It's a 20-minute drive. And yeah, according to the pictures on Google Maps, it's a beautiful place. So let's go! 20 minutes of driving later and we're here. Today we are gonna walk in the nature reserve Viks Kvarn. The pictures on Google Maps looks great. We're here at the parking space. And then, let's see, here's the parking space. So here the yellow is the Haugen, and we would just want to follow the blue. That's what we're gonna do. Follow the blue.
Blue do.
Blue do. Doesn't say how long it is, but here's 500 meters. So I'm guessing it's like maybe 2 kilometers. And we can see owls and flying fish.
Yeah, I am excited. I want to see fish.
You want to see fish. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of this map because you always need to do that in case you get lost. And then we're gonna start working.
Working?
Walking. What'd you say?
No. Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, you don't want to say the word hot dog on camera?
I'm not hungry, you are.
Oh. Pretty forest.
Yeah. I like the mossy landscape.
Yes. Mossy landscape, good landscape. Oh, look at that tree. It's about to fall down.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Looks like some beavers went at it or something.
Can you push it?
You want to push it?
I mean, I doubt I could
Well,
move it. Could run into it.
I mean, it's not gonna take a lot more, but it's still like... Push it!
I mean, it's a big honking tree.
Yeah. It's probably sturdier than you think then.
Yeah, I'm thinking so too. I'm not sure even beavers had a lot to do with this.
No. I don't think we have beavers around here though.
No, that too.
They're more northern. Oh, look at this! It kind of looks like a guy with his arms out and having branches for horns and yeah.
Ooh.
Slippery ice. Hey, I see an orange band. You know what that means? Höglandsleden. And you know what that more means as well? We're halfway.
Ooh, the stairs is apparently steeper than ours.
Yeah, there you get a rope. We don't. I'm still planning to continue walking the Höglandsleden. So I'll be here at some point with my rucksack and tent and everything. Yeah, the tree is definitely going meow. It's also pretty dead.
I think two at least of the big trees that have fallen also had that byong. Meow.
Yeah. It's weird. Wonder why they do that. I guess they just get damaged when they're young and growing
That sounds so sad.
and growing that way.
Yo.
Don't we all get damaged when we're young? Yeah. This is quite
Quite a drop.
a drop. Let's go to the edge. Oh, there's a little lake down there, or a little river. Huh. Yeah, pretty cool. It's the opposite side. Doesn't look like it on camera, but this is a steep little downhill part with just ice. Lihow got through it without problems. My turn. Hold it. Ah, got it. Ooh, slip. Our current route, Höglandsleden. Ooh, there's a little cliff edge over there. And I hear water. Oh.
Oh no. No.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't even tell it's happening.
That's the bad thing about filming stuff. You never can tell depth that well. That's why it's better to go places. It's a little fireplace where you can grill some sausages. Ooh, steep.
Ooh,
Yeah.
almost like stairs.
And the descent begins. No, down there's some ice, so let's hope that goes well. Yeah, go next to the path instead. There you go. Woo! You did it! Yay! Okay, now I'm coming down.
Oh, it is steep.
Yeah.
I would say some places are like 150 degrees from here.
This is the part where you also had to figure out what to do. Yeah,
And that's when you said go beside.
I did.
Just,
I'm just making different decisions than you.
yeah. Why listen to your own advice?
You know, I like these walks, but winter ice makes it difficult. I did it!
Whee!
Thank you! Yep.
This is like a bike trail.
A bike trail? Okay. Hey, ooh, that's slippery.
Hi.
Hi, I made it. It is very cute. Let's take a look.
That's a branch.
Yeah, watch it. Yes. Apparently you can spend the night in that little cabin if you want. No reservations needed, just if it's empty, you're welcome. Want to go check out the cabin?
Sure.
I might spend the night in there one day when I'm walking the Hooglandsleden. Let's see. So I don't know if you can hear me. I'm just gonna say we'll be spoiling this one, and I'll give you an indicator of where to skip if you do not want to find it. I mean,
That looks like poop paper.
poop paper. Yeah, let's hope it's not poop paper. Not over there?
Not over there.
Okay.
Is it inside, you think?
Oh, that could be, but
It did say on the outside, right?
let's. It didn't say anything. I just looked at the location on the map. What is that? Spider eggs?
Oh gosh.
I think I found it. Okay, for those that you don't want to see, I'll be showing you right now. And here's a timestamp to skip the location so you can find it yourself.
Oh! Or is it just matches? No,
Let's
it's a
see.
logbook and everything.
Yeah. Okay,
This is like a little treasure.
that's what it is about, treasure hunts. Okay.
In a proper little box with a pen.
There we go. So we can log our find. Last time found is in the 22nd of
Ooh.
January.
Not long ago.
Our turn. Okay, Lihow is logging it for us. We hope. Oh, there you go. She got the inks flowing. So just Stico and Lihow, been here and then the date.
Is it 17th?
Today's the 17th.
17th of March 2022. Stico and Lihow
There we go.
was here.
There we go. Stico and Lihow was here. Now, you guys need to find it as well and write your name under ours.
Yes. And let us know when you do.
Okay, let's see what we have. We have, this is an explanation, so people that find it that don't know what geocaching is, get a little bit of an explanation here. We have a toy soldier.
Ooh.
A little toy soldier. Then we have a little
A pixie book.
a pixie book. And then what's this? A coupon for 50 euro cents to go get coffee somewhere.
Sweet.
Nice. And Rory is like carrying a load of feathers we think are lead. And then we have smart. Ooh,
Tid för synundersökning.
wow! You can actually. I mean, that's not bad. If you, I mean, it's a bit weird because if you will need this if you didn't find the box, but you can only get it if you find the box. Yeah, that's never mind.
Well,
A hair tie.
ooh. Can never have too many hair ties.
Oh, I think Lihow wants a hair tie. Let's see what else we have.
Ooh, Annika.
Is this Annika, armless Annika?
Yeah.
Single arm Annika? I have no idea who Annika is.
Pippi Långstrump. Tommy
Ah.
Annika.
Ah, yeah.
Yes.
And then we have a thing,
Very pretty.
a pretty thing. Ooh, a Danish crown. And then there's the thing that needed to be inside the thing. And then,
Is it a little mini game?
oh, this is a trackable. Okay, so some of the geocaches, people put trackables in them. They travel from geocache to geocache all around the world. On the geocache app, it probably says that this trackable is in here. So we can take this with us and put it in the next geocache we find. So that's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Let's see what it says. This coin is a key to a mystery. Yeah, that's cool. But you know what? I have no idea when I'm gonna find the next geocache, which is the size that you could put something in. So I'm gonna leave it here. Yeah, for you guys, that you can actually try to find out what this mystery is about, and please let us know. Alright, let's put everything back. Did you want a hair tie? Because if you want a hair tie, you gotta leave something else.
Yeah, I was just thinking what I have in my pockets, but I think it's just my phone and my gloves.
Okay, we'll put everything back. Lihow didn't want the hair tie in the end.
I'm not in a desperate need of one right at the moment.
Well, ooh, it's a little bit broken. We'll make sure to put that part downhill so the water doesn't run in. And then we put it back where we found it. We found it! Yay! Ready to continue on hiking?
Yes!
Let's go! Here's the little house. And then over there is where the Hooglandleden goes. I'll be doing that in a future vlog, so stay tuned and subscribe. Yeah!
Yeah!
I wonder what those are. What's your guess?
I'm thinking they're very high for sleeping.
Well, this one has a pipe coming out of it. That's probably a toilet. That's probably a ventilation pipe for the toilet. And the other one, it's pretty small. So I'm thinking wood storage for a campfire. Let's see, is this indeed a toilet? Yep, toilet. Well, yeah, you keep thinking that. Don't look inside. Ah, it's a little wind hood. That's a nice little place to hang out and make a campfire.
Ooh, a workbench.
Oh, a kitchen bench.
Love it.
Nice little place. Cool. Well, we both guess that this road is just going to lead back to the car. So it was a very beautiful walk. I enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah.
We didn't read on the information sign what it was, but it was definitely a water mill there. And there were like ruins of old buildings there. So I'm guessing, we'll confirm on the information sign, but I'm guessing there used to be a water mill there to make flour. Ooh, that's pretty there as well. It's like a little lake with trees sticking out. Look at this, that's cool. Kind of reminds me of Yellowstone Park. Oh.
This is huge.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 steps long. Yeah, it's a big route. I am Groot. This is cool.
Yeah. Very ominous.
Yeah. I would like to see it with just water instead of ice. It just looks like a snowy field from
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, we got back to the car. Now let's look at the information board to see if it says what they did over there with the watermill. Historisch industriemiljö. Här hade funnits kvarnar sedan idag. Olika senare gjordes bara till vatten.
Sågverk.
A sågverk.
A sawmill.
Ah, it was a sawmill.
I think I said that the first time we talked about it.
We'll see.
But,
We'll see in the vlog. So yeah, it was an old sawmill apparently that they used the water for. Pretty cool location. Yes, I approve of this nature reserve.
Me too.
This is a very nice walk, about 5 kilometers, rough terrain sometimes, up and down.
Quite a bit.
I would say do it in summer, spring, when there isn't this much ice. So,
Agreed.
but yeah, hey, thank you for following along on the vlog, on the walk vlog,
The waka waka.
the wakama waka.
Excuse me.
Yeah. All right, beautiful, and we'll see you next time.
Wakama vlog.
Wakama vlog. Bye.
That's it. I wanna see fish.
You want to see fish?